This is Chalet and Dexter's F1B Golden Doodle litter. And they're not real happy right now because Shane just locked them in the building so I could actually get a video, because this is take 3 on the video. This is the white ribbon female that's still for sale. And this one trying to escape is, hey! That's the purple ribbon female. This is the lime green female. That's purple again. This is the black ribbon male. Red ribbon. Orange ribbon. There's pink. Hey, baby. They've been fighting and playing. Now this is take 3 on the video, and this is what I get, is a spew of them sleeping. This is turquoise ribbon. Right here. Where are you at? I can't see your face. And this is green ribbon male. Hey! That's the white ribbon.